You came across a particular video on YouTube and you're like, wow, how can I download this video? What are the steps to download this video? And you see an option on YouTube to download the video and you click on it and it saves directly on YouTube. But that is not what you want. Oh yeah, and what you want was taking it directly to your phone gallery so that you can also share it with your friend. My name is Basi Ejipajo. I'm a medical student in the University of Calabar, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can download a YouTube video without storing it offline on YouTube. That's YouTube download offline, but taking it directly to your phone gallery. It is an app I'm going to show you. It takes nothing less than 34 MB to download on Google Play Store if you are using Android, and Apple Store, that is for those who are using iPhone, any iOS product. It takes you nothing less than 3 minutes to download this app and to download any video on YouTube of your choice directly to your phone gallery. And with that, you can share it to your friends, to your loved ones, to your neighbors as much as you want. Understand? And if you are new to my YouTube channel, please click the red subscribe button. And if you are a returning visitor, bro, I really love you. Let's go. I'll be using the screen recording to do this video. Let's go. Directly to Play Store. Move directly to Play Store. Play Store. The name of the app I'm going to tell you now is known as Black Hole. Black Hole. So you go on Play Store, you download the app. I already have the app on my phone, so Black Hole. Just go on Black Hole and search for it. It's gonna appear there. Black Hole. It's loading. Please guys, share this video to your friend, to the app. And now this is the app. Oh yeah, now this is Black Hole app. Let's say for example now, let it load. It's loading. This is best dog food. This is just one example to show you how you can download movie directly to your gallery using Black Hole. Best dog food is loading. Since my internet connection is not that good today. Okay, now we are going. Let me use this movie now. The first one here, the best dog food 2021. Now what you do is you click on this 3 arrow here. You click on this 3 arrow. You see the option of share video. Share video. You click on the share. I'll let it load again. Now you copy the link. The link is copied. You go to Black Hole. Now Black Hole will show you an ad which you will watch, because it was supposed to be a paid subscription, but as you can see the video is not downloading. Give it time for the video to download. Guys, you see how easy it is? So this is how you can download a movie from YouTube directly to your gallery. And as you can, this movie after downloading, you are going to see it directly in my gallery. So this is how to download a video from YouTube to your gallery. Please click the red subscribe button, share this video to your friends so that my channel will grow. I really love you.